Hi, in front of me I have ZTE NUBIA Z9 MAX, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First, let's pick up our phone and find the SIM card and SD card slots, and to do it, just pick up the phone, and we have them on the left side of our device. Here we have SIM card slot, and here we have SD card slot. And to open them we need some kind of pin. I have this pin tool, but any pin will do as long as it's the right size. And now we need to open them, we need to put this pin inside of this hole right here. Now we're gonna open the SIM card tray. So put the pin inside the hole, then push it in. The tray will pop out. Let's take it out. And here we have our SIM card tray, and we need to take our SIM card like this and place it on a tray like that. Now we can insert it into our phone. This side of the SIM card, the front of the SIM card, should be facing the front of the screen, I believe. Oh, my bad. Let's try again. Like this. I doesn't really want to stay on it, so be careful when you're putting it in. Then slide it in till the end, like that. Okay, now let's open the SD card tray. So let's take the pin, put it in this hole right here, push it in, the tray will pop out, take out the tray, take the SD card, place it on the tray like this. Now we can take our phone, take our SD card, and again the front of the SD card needs to be facing the screen like that. Insert it, slide it in slowly till the end. Now let's unlock the screen on our phone, and as you can see the SIM card is working because we need to enter the pin. So let's enter it, and SD card should be working as well. Let's check it. Can we see it right here? No. So let's open the settings, go to other system settings. Oh, my language changed because I inserted the SIM card. Let's change the language first to do it. Let's go to language, turn off the automatic language, find the English. Okay, and now let's go back to settings, other system settings, storage, and let's see if the SD card is working, and it is, as you can see here. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.